Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda CB300R with ABS brakes, lightweight, naked style, fuel injected, liquid cooled 300, only 2,500 miles on this really cool bike. Great for commuting, great for bopping around the Bay Area. Come on by and make your motorcycle dreams come true with this gorgeous CB300R, only $44.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.